Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel from our home to yours. So today is the next day of Magar Sankranti, the Pongal, and we call it Matu Pongal. So this one is for cows, bulls, cattle, and not only for them, all the living things, honeybees, bugs, ants, for all. Actually, the Pongal celebration is celebrating the nature, the sun god, and the farmers who are next to God give us the food. Without their hard work, our plate won't be full and our stomach won't be full. So today is we are thanking all the cattle, the cows, bulls. They help to give us milk and other grains. So we can feed not only the cows. So when we draw the column with the rice flour, so small ants and bugs, they will come and eat. Sometimes even the birds. So we can feed the birds. And if we have flowers, we are unknowingly or knowingly we are feeding the honeybees, bumblebees, and all the small insects. So we have to pray to Gomada, the cow. All the gods and devas, they reside on the cow. So if you pray to Kamadhenu or the Gomada, so that's like we are praying to all the gods. So if we have any small Vigraha, Gomata, we can do Abhishekam and do the Ashtotra and Gayatri and decorate the Gomata with any small jewels. So Gomata will bless us with all the health and wealth and happiness. According to Hindu Puranas, there is a story behind the celebration for the cattle, the Matu Pongal. One time, Lord Shiva told Nandi, the Rishabham, to go to earth and tell the people to bathe with oil every day and have food only one day. But when the Nandi Bhagwan, Rishabham, came to earth, he by mistakenly he said bathe with oil one day and then eat other days. And Shiva got very mad and told Rishabham, the bull, to stay in the earth and help the people to grow the paddies and other grains. That's what the next day to Pongal we celebrate all the cattle and cows and all the animals, and some they pray today to their ancestors. In India, we make sweet pongal and cut all the fresh vegetables and mix them and give it to any cow walk by or bull if you don't have it. If you have the farms, they make a sweet pongal and paint the horns of the cows and bulls and decorate them with turmeric, kumkum, and flower garlands, and sometimes small vastram around their neck, and take them like a processions, and they do Mangala Arati for them. And today is the free day and fun day for them. So they decorate like this, sharpen the horns and paint and put the kungum, turmeric, everything. We can feed the squirrels, honeybees. Sugarcane is important prasadam to offer for sun god, and everybody loves sugarcane, and even cows, all the cattle, they love sugarcane. And fresh fruits, they all the cattle, they love. See, in India, all the people, they eat fresh sugarcane. That's very healthy, and it's good for the teeth and the gums. Today is also very windy. See all the honeybees and bumblebees, they all enjoy the nectar from these flowers, and they are very helpful for the cross pollination. One small request for my viewers, so every day please go outside 5 or 10 minutes, stay in the sun. You will get natural vitamin D and enjoy the nature and appreciate it. Without nature, the plants, animals, we cannot live alone in the environment. So the Hinduism teaches us to respect and live with the nature, not spoil it. So wish you all happy Mati Pongal, and tomorrow is the Kanu Pongal, but this year we cannot go and visit all the friends and relatives, so we can visit them through the Skype or Zoom. So please enjoy the nature. All the 4 days are just to celebrate the sun and the nature. Thank you all. See you in the next video about Lord Muruga, the Thaipusam, and I am planning to do some cooking recipes, some chutneys. Please share and like and subscribe. There is a bumblebee. Yeah. Thank you all. Wish you all Subhamangal. Thank you.